on.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video we are basically doing the night jobs basically. We got to clean all the cubicles all off, drive all the cows out, they get milked, I have to scrape all the crap out, push all the sides up and got the low ones that side. That's basically it, that's what I've got to do tonight. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me. Not too bad to be honest. Actually quite nice this summertime, there's a nice bit of breeze, but we're in the middle of the winter and it's absolutely freezing. Just basically rain non-stop. So yeah, go on cow, go on. If you're wondering what stuff we use in the cubicle, just basically just sawdust and lime. Lime to kill the bacteria off, make the cubicle drier. So yeah, hopefully be finished by about 11, 12 o'clock ish. Depends really. We're already like an hour late. We weren't really late, we just had other stuff doing. We had like 2 cows calve. Better sort that out. Go on, good cows, go on. I'll let them have a drink, I suppose. There's Mrs. Cow. Mrs. Cow. Mrs. Cow. Whilst them shut in, this is our foot bath. We're not going to put them for a foot bath tonight. We're going to do that. We're going to do it in the mornings and afternoons for a foot bath. This is Mrs. Pet Cow. Mrs. Pet Cow, aren't you? Yes. This is a T4 55 2025 plate. It does want a bit of a wash. She had a wash off like 3 weeks ago. Believe it or not. I'm feeling alright, trying to be honest. Not had her for a year yet. There we go. Got her in March. We're now January, no February. Not quite a year. This has been quite alright. Pushed up, I'm trying to put my heaters on now. That is one of the things I like about this, trying to put heaters on now. Well, last air side's all pushed up, trying to go scrape out now. These are the beef animals up there. To my left, if you can see or not. Right, here we are, on the scraping out. All the cow shit. There are channels here, so take your well, all straightened out now. That's about it now. It's got a bit of cows there, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully be another video next week. Until now, bye.